Hi everyone. I was just going to walk you through how to do a return. So I'm sharing my screen with you, and the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're submitting a return or an exchange is you will need to find the order number of the item that you're returning. So what I'm going to do, I went over to my order history over here on the left-hand side, and I scroll down to my customer. And if you hit details, you will see the order number up here. So I'm just going to copy the order number. And then after I have the order number figured out, I'm going to come back over here to my tabs on my left-hand side. And I know this is a little confusing when you're doing a return, but you're going to want to select place an order. Then once you select place an order, you're going to see over here under management returns. So even if it's an exchange, you're still going to come up here. So we're going to select returns. All right. So these, if you look down below here, you'll see some returns that I've done recently, but then if you look up here, they've all been taken care of. So I don't have any pending returns, but I want to create another one. So I'm going to click here. And then I'm just going to paste, there we go. Paste the order number and then hit lookup. So then Laura's shopping cart shows up here. And then I guess we just select that. There we go. And then I gotta make sure, I'm gonna go back over to her invoice because I can't remember, she had 3 things. I think this is the one, but I need to make sure. So I'm gonna come back over to her order history. Yes, it was the 208. She wants to exchange the All-Star bra. So it'll come back over here. So the 208, I'm going to toggle down. If you're, this is can be a little confusing. She wants to replace it for the same item, but she wants a different size. So you cannot select replace with same item, or they will send you the exact same item. I've made that mistake before. So go down to exchange for a different item, even though it's the same, but you're changing the size. So select for a different one, select reason, wrong size, and then what am I exchanging it for? The 208 medium. And then add. The item was successfully been added to my exchange order, so close window. And so you see it down here, and then you're going to hit continue. All this should be filled in here, and then save shipping information. So another thing that they do is they return it to the card and then they recharge it. I wish they could just, do a no charge, but they do credit it back to the card, and then they'll take it out. So make sure this is all correct. So put it back on there and then continue. And this is the new item that we want. It's $49. We're going to use the existing card. Save return. All right, so your return has been saved. What I do then is I message my customer and let them know to include this return number with their package. It just makes it easier. If they have the original packing slip, then I just have them, write return number, 47706 and put it in with their package just to make sure, everything goes smoothly. And then if we go back to, let's say we go back over to place an order, returns, you're going to see now that under pending returns, there's Laura's return. So that's how you do it. I hope that wasn't too confusing. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and